Well, hello. Welcome back to my channel. I am glad you're here as always. Today I wanted to show you my Amazon haul for July. It's going to be just some basics and a little bit of athletic wear, so I think you'll really enjoy this. If this is your first time here, then welcome. I'm glad that you're here. I hope that you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up before you leave. Is really popular right now. It's something pretty common at the med spas or a day spa. So I bought this one from Amazon. So you can see it says the needles are 1/4 of a millimeter, but if you go to like a cosmetologist, I believe they can go up to 3 millimeters, but it's just a roller with these tiny little needles. It's sort of like acupuncture for your face, and you just roll it all over your face in different directions and focus on problem areas like wrinkles, and I recommend using it every other week, and then the weeks that I don't use it, I dermaplane. But this is under $10, and I just disinfect it with some peroxide when I'm done, let it air dry. Under $10, little beauty tool. I'm on a mission to get my hair long and healthy again. I look back at old pictures and I think, gosh, that looks like some really pretty hair. But one of the things my hairdresser recommended was the silk pillowcase. So they come in all shapes and sizes from many different brands, but I got this one. It had a lot of reviews, and it's a Zima silk, 100% natural, mulberry silk. So I'm gonna give this a go. My book hasn't come, but this I checked out from my church, and it's called Giving It All Away and Getting It All Back, and it's written by the CEO of Hobby Lobby, and it is so good. Since this is not my copy, I went ahead and bought one, but like I said, it hasn't come yet. If you have a business or thinking about starting a business, I highly, highly recommend this book. It's wonderful, it's got great ideas, and it's a really enjoyable read. Organizer's secret toolkit are these containers. They're stackable. They're by Iris. This is the medium size. So they have these little snaps that close, and these little feet that fit right into the lid of the other one. And small, medium, and large. Like I said, this is the medium. You can fit 2 smalls on top of this. I prefer the medium just because I think you can get more use out of it. I use them in a variety of ways. One is in the bathroom to store scrunchies and headbands and just hair claws, but I also use it in the kitchen to store, what are those things called? Koozies? It's perfect. And if you had a box, like let's say you wanted to organize some things on a shelf, but you didn't want it to be visible, so you were going to put it in a basket, well, you could subdivide everything in the basket and then just file them just like this, and then you could even put a label on the front. So originally bought them from the Container Store. They don't sell them anymore, so I'm so glad that Amazon has them. Must get. I am a sneaker girl. I love wearing sneakers and booties, but I don't like to go kind of a renegade and not have socks on. But the non-slip socks that I've gotten before from like Gap and Ann Taylor Loft all were made from cotton, so they stretched, but these are more like a spandex. So come in a set of 6. You can get a variety of colors. I just got all nude. And these are the ultra low cut, so they kind of hug your toes, but they're perfect for sneakers. You can't see them. They don't slip at all. They've got a really nice grip to the back, so they're not going to slip. I am planning on getting the other version that aren't low cut or ultra low, so they cover the bridge of your fun money adult spending is underwear. I've had a time trying to find some underwear that's decently sized. So these are the Amazon Essentials brand, and it's just a set of 6 of their fall colors. They have a ton of colors, and these are just some cotton bikini briefs. So I'm looking forward to these. I also got 2 dresses and a tennis skirt. So I'm gonna unpack those and give them a little steam and try them on, see what they look like. Next up is this really cute tennis skirt or walking skirt or running skirt. So it's a flat panel in the front with a really wide waistband, but there's a ruffle detail in the back, which I think is really cute. It also has this hidden zipper pocket. I've paired it with the tie-back tank from Old Navy and just a really simple sports bra. I love this one from Old Navy. It does have shorts underneath. The shorts are not very tight, so they're not going to be as tight as a biker short, and they do have pockets on both sides. I love this baby doll dress. So it's tiered. It's got this little ruffle sleeve, and it's not cotton at all, but it is a little short, so I'm 5'2" for reference. This would be awesome to travel in. I've just paired it with these Walmart sneakers. I would recommend wearing a pair of biker shorts underneath, maybe like a really shorter hem biker shorts, just because, I mean, it's floating. Last is this maroon. This is more like a wine color, tiered. It's more of a midi on me, but if you're taller, then it'd be a little shorter. I'm 5'2" for reference. And it's got this elastic in the sleeve, so you can balloon it up if you wanted, or you could just wear it further down. I actually really like more of this look. And I just paired it with some easy espadrilles and a headband. This would be great for church or for the office for the day. It's like a nightgown. It's just really, really comfortable. It's lightweight, it's really thin. Probably not cotton.